So in this video, we're going to be going over some more equations and some additional functionalities of Excel. So last video, we talked about the sum function, and we also talked about the average function, as well as how you can do it manually by adding up all the numbers and dividing by the total amount of numbers. In this video, we'll talk about the trim function, the count function, as well as some of the auto sum functionalities. So first and foremost, if you wanted to somehow remove the spaces from these three cells, what you would do is you would type in equals trim, so TRIM, open parentheses. You would take the cell that you want to remove the space from, click that, close parentheses, and click enter. As you can see, it removes the spaces in between. So this is very useful if you have a lot of data and you want to get rid of the spaces in between some of the words so that it's formatted properly. Additionally, you can do it with this one. Then you can also do it this one as well, just so you can get all of these cells without spaces in them. Another thing that you can do is use the equals count function, which essentially counts the number of cells that have numeric values in them, like numbers. So let's say, for example, we wanted to find how many numeric values, how many cells have numeric values in this criteria or in this box. If we select it, close the parentheses and click enter, we get 5 because we have 5 cells here that have numerical values. Similarly, you can do the same thing with the count equals count if function. You can select a range or what value you want to select for, select what area that you want to count over, and then click enter, and it'll give you that as well. Another cool functionality that's also available in Excel is this auto sum function, which has some of the most basic functionalities and the most common things that you can use. So if you click this down arrow right here, right next to auto sum, you have the sum with the sigma sign, you have average, count numbers, max, min. You have some additional functions here. If you click, there's a bunch of other functions that you could potentially use. We're just going to go over one of the more common ones. So this one is the max and min function. So if you click equal, if you just click the max here and you have this cell selected, you can select any cell that you want. If we click max, it'll give you this formula and this range. We want to choose this range right here. So we just highlight it, just click enter, and it'll get us the maximum value that we have here. Similarly, we can do it with min, choose the value, click enter, and we get the min. So these are just some of the ways that we can use the functionalities of Excel to expedite and maybe make our equations and our calculations much more simpler, much more easier to perform. So we talked about the sum function, we talked about the average function, we talked about the trim function, and we also talked about some of the auto sum functionalities.